Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we gotta diagnose this grinding sound. One of our tire techs, this is our shop van, so he uses this a lot to deliver tires and pick up tires. He says every time he starts the car, it sounds like it's grinding. The way he's explaining it, it does sound like it's a fuck up starter. I don't know yet. So let's go hear it out. Let's go, come on. Yeah guys, so the way he's explaining it, it does sound like it's a fucked up starter. Let's hear the noise together. Let's see if you guys can hear it. I'm gonna start it up, okay? Oh yeah, that's definitely a starter. I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna start it again, okay? Let me know if you guys can hear that. Oh yeah, that's a starter. Definitely a starter. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that sounded like a fucked up starter right there. And now this bitch ain't starting. So let's go replace that starter. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is let's go disconnect that negative battery cable. Now we gotta open the hood. Yep. Now we're gonna disconnect the negative battery cable, and that is an 8mm. Then just grab your cable and set it aside. All right, so the starter is gonna be right on the passenger side. See the door on the passenger? Right there. Safety first, guys. Yeah, safety first. And that's gonna be your starter right there. So the first thing we're gonna remove is this electrical connector to the starter. You're gonna pop that tab and remove. Just like that. Then you're gonna grab a 13mm socket and ratchet, and you're gonna remove this 13mm nut to remove that cable. And that's how that nut looks like. Now you can grab your cable to the starter and remove out of the way. So now we're gonna remove these two 13mm bolts that's holding this starter. So you make sure you hold that starter and remove those two bolts. 1, 2. That's how that looks like. Then you just grab your starter and remove it. And there you go. Pretty simple, huh? Now we got the old starter out. Check this sound out. Yeah, it's not supposed to make that sound. See that? It's fucked up. So that's a fucked up starter. Let's grab our new starter. This is the starter we're gonna replace. This is the O'Reilly starter, brand new. Part number is right there. Bam. Let's check the starter out. There's our new starter. Quiet. See that? All right, let's go put it on. Now you grab your new starter and install it, guys. Hold that starter in place, grab your bolts, start them halfway, and then you can snug them down. And now we can snug them down. All right guys, and that's it. So before I remove the jack and jack stands, I'm gonna start the car and confirm our work. So before we start the car, let's connect the negative battery cable, because you know, it won't start if it's not on. And remember guys, don't over tighten these, just snug them down. These are easy, you can easily strip these out. There you go. So let's start her up, see if the noise is gone. Ooh, no more grinding noise. Doesn't it feel good to fix shit? Let's start one more time. Ooh, nice and quiet. All right, let's take it off the jack and jack stands. I think I'm gonna need a new jack, guys. We gotta do it like a Harbor Freight run. Oh yeah. And that's it, guys. No more noise. Our shop van is fixed. All right, guys, and that's it. Shop van is fixed. No more noises. Our tire guy doesn't have to freak out no more. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate all the support. Hit that like button. It helps a lot. And that's it. See you guys on the next one.